Topic is what's the importance of education. Education is a very important nowadays. Actually, without education, we cannot do anything else, right? If you want to do anything else, what, for example, if you want to study, as if you want to become any officers, anything else, so you will have to need the, I think, knowledge. Yeah, without knowledge we cannot do anything else. If you suppose, if you have knowledge, if you want to become a right businessman, so before becoming a businessman, you will have to need the, you will have to need the knowledge, right? Because without knowledge, of course, you will get fail, right? Before running the business, right, you will get the knowledge, right? Nowadays, I think you may have seen number of become businessmen, right? They will firstly they get the knowledge, right? Then they do the business. That's why they are in the top. Yeah, but reason, firstly, this is also very fact. Yes, without firstly, until you will not do the run the business, so you will know how can you get knowledge. Firstly, do it, and then you can get the experience, then you can get the knowledge. Firstly, you will have to do it any work, then you can success. Most of the people, right, suppose they want to be a businessman, but they fear to run the business. They think that, yeah, I will get lost, then what will happen. Firstly, actually, I think here is a one proverbs, actually, no gain, no risk, no gain. Firstly, you will have to take a risk, of course you will get the gain.
Good evening, sir, and all my dear friends. Today my topic is the what is the importance of education. So, according to me, in our India, the lots of people they fight. To our our future, and because of they want to they want to be like an engineer and doctor also. So, according to me, in India, the careers of education is must. And if we talk about the other countries, so other countries is better than our India. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir, and all my dear friends. My topic is the importance of education. According to me, education we can say easily like knowledge, and knowledge is of many types like practical and bookish and etc. And we can get from anywhere. We can get it from anywhere, and many of our education is good for sometimes, suppose that if you want to be a dancer, so you don't have the need of education, because you will have to find your passion. And
Good evening, all of you. Today my topic is importance of education. According to me, education is most important for our life. We can't do anything without education. We were going in sports, then we also know how to speak English. How to speak English. Education is most important in everything. Without education, we can't do anything. We have knowledge. We can tuition, can do anything for education. So that's.
Good evening, sir, and my dear friend. My topic is important of education. According to me, education is very important, because without education, not doing work. Education and the very high competition and job and interview. Without the education, not job. So.
Good evening, everyone. My topic is importance of education. According to me, education is very important in our life. Education. If we go for an interview, we must education, because he needs degree. So we can educate first. Education are many types: the bookish education and many other education.
Good evening, sir, and my dear friend. My topic is importance of education. Education plays important role in one's life. It to be a success and to be a education great person. Education improves our knowledge, skill, confidence level, and personality. By education, we can get good job and personality. We can take decision.
My name is Gaurav Pushpa. My topic is important education. Education is very important in our life, and we cannot and job and we cannot and do work anything.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to tell about importance of education. First, I want to say that the education needs two things. First thing is intelligence, and second is money. Without intelligence, we cannot understand anything, and we cannot learn about anything. And second is money. Without money, we cannot study, we cannot buy the books, and we cannot attend the tuition classes. The education shows our confidence, intelligence level, and IQ level also. If we are going to marriage, then firstly the parents wants to know about the education. If the person is educated, so they want to marriage. Otherwise, they deny for the marriage. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. My topic is importance of education. Education is beneficial for us, and we can get good job. And if we have become a education, and our parent tell us life in education is good, and its annual forms of doctors, engineers, like etc. is in our lives, and
hello guys, today my topic is education. Education is the most important in our life. Education is very important role in our life. Education is a weapon in the world. Education is competition level and competence level and dependent person. Education get to the school from college. Educated person is respected anyone place. Educated person, what is bad and efficiency, what is bad and what is good decision, correct decision.
Education is a three type. Formal education. Formal education is the education of academic setup. Formal education we can only teach syllabus, or non-formal education has a no age cross limitation. Example: workshop, seminar, or computer assisted instruction. Or informal education is a long life education. Example: book, movie, etc.
One thing also is there for knowledge actually in India. The theoretical knowledge is given in India. Firstly, actually, what practical knowledge is not given. I think that is the practical knowledge should be given in India. And I have seen many of the colleges actually their theoretical knowledge is given, not in the practical knowledge. That's the reason. And the many engineer also is there. After becoming the engineer, they couldn't, most of the students, right, they couldn't the job. Reason is that because they have a theoretical knowledge, they have no practical knowledge. So it should be, I think.
Education remove poverty. If we do job, we can get money and enjoy the life. It remove the poverty.
Yes.
In our education, there are many problems. So I think our education should be like the education of Japan, because Japan become independent with us, but still it's a more developed country than India because they focus on practical knowledge, not the book is. We should also focus on practical knowledge because we can get those things we can't be get from the bookish knowledge. And because of some of the students, the education is only exams and marks, which is that the students have become trained that they just learn from the books and print in the exams and get good marks. But it's good for get job, not not to talk about the knowledge. We don't have more knowledge, but nowadays the jobs and salaries is given by seeing A plus and marks, and that's it.
As we all know, the education make men perfect, because if we if we are educated, so in future we will do like anything, like if we want to go to engineer, doctor, and like any post, so we have to we have to educate it firstly. So according, if we talk about the whole world, so according to me, education shows that what the country's place. Lots of people, lots of countries, they only believe that education is must, and in our India, the education is not a high and not a low also. So if we talk about the America, so America is the best example to introduce education. After 5th class, the family members and the teachers, they just pull to do something new. If person they want to be a doctor, engineer, dancer. So after completing class 5th, the students they focus only that creativity.
According to me, practical education is most important, because we do practical, we not we forget. Practical is the most important. India intelligence is 73%, but other country intelligence high because of the practical education. Practical education is most important.
As he said, the practical is main important. So if we talk about lots of countries, they increase our knowledge because of the government's support. In our India, the government they don't support us, and they just want to do money, and they do only how can we run our political parties. That's why in our India education system is increase day by day.
You get the ability of read things. In childhood, we were not able to understand the language of written spoken word. But when enter in school, they teach us how to read book and everything.
And education make they civilized and they are better than education.
Education create good impression on society. If we do job, it is good impression on society.
Education is very important new generation because new generation because need a job. Without education, not give me a job. Education is the very important.
Because of education, lots of people they get suicide because they don't they could not afford the pressure, and lots of people I have seen that in last stage while is a engineer and doctor, people they get suicide because of family pressure also, and if they get failed, so what people they say. And in our India, lots of people they get side because of education.
That's the reason, most of the Indian people also, they are also going to be aware. Many that time if you are talking about last 15 years ago, and parents who were not aware, but right now I think that is the parents who are right, they are going to be aware, and they are sending their child to schools and coachings also, because of they know very well that without educations, right, their children and child, there are no futures, right. If they want to do something, right, so they will have to study, they will have to get knowledge. Without knowledge they cannot do anything. That's why they are sending their children in schools and colleges everywhere.
Most of the people go to for run after the degree and for earning the money. That's why the India is a developing country. If the people they stay in India, then the India also become a developed country.
If we will change the full education, so it will be very difficult for students and us also. And I think some major changes should be done. Example, including practical knowledge and skills and project work to students and etc. And project students should be marked according to their abilities, not only by the marks in some specialist subject.
Education is necessities. Nowadays, education are expensive. Nowadays in school, they are taking only money. Education is expensive nowadays.
As Vivekanand said, we should study. You build character, the mind for development of brain.
According to me, what is a benefit of education in India? Because the politicians are not educated. They are failed 10th failed, 12th failed. But the collector is more educated, but they are say to serve them. What is the benefit of education in India?
Education is a very important, very respected man. Doctor, engineer is a very respected, because without the education, not respected and someone.
Actually, education that's why is a must, because of right, children, suppose he's getting the knowledge, right, he can come to know how to respect our elders, how to respect our youngers, how to give the respect the teachers also, right. That's why our parents are sending their children, right, schools and college, because they can, when they talk with someone with respectfully. So that's why the knowledge education is the must.
No, sir. If we talk about the school, so lots of group there, like the bad group also and the good group also. If we talk about the bad groups, so in school, students, their father is sending for students for our studying, but the student they don't know, they don't study in a school, because of the students, they mix if we talk about head groups, and lots of people, lots of students, they used to do lots of students, they do smoking in schools, and so it is, and lots of students, they also abuse to teachers.
Actually, reason is that right, firstly, our main thing is the first teacher. Who is first teacher? First teacher is our parents, right? From the beginnings, right? If parents should explain their child, it's better don't. This is a very dangerous thing, right? Don't smoke, and don't take liquor, right? Don't talk rubbish. Yes, parents, when they listen, yes, their children are going the wrong way. On the spot, the parents should explain to them. This is a very good thing. If the parents also watching everything what their children are doing wrong way, but they are not telling anything else, so this is not bad. One day, of course, he can be a gangster, or he can be a goons, whatever. So after becoming, then the right parents will have to repent a lot.
Someone can steal money, but someone can't steal your knowledge.
Yeah.
the nature of that person makes him a bad person or a good person. If anyone grow in a good nature, then he become a IAS officer and post in good degree. But if anyone is grow in bad nature, so he become a robber or a thief.
One thing is there I'm watching in India, not world, but India is mostly, who is the less educated people, they are better than educated people. If you are talking about businessmen, let's see, right? Businessmen in India, in India also, and as well as in other country also, you can see, right? Who are less educated, they are in the top. Yes, who are more educated, they are low compared to the more educated, less educated people. So this is also we should consider about this matter. Yeah, many also very good examples, right? Leaders are only now. If you are talking about the Rabri Devi, right? She has been becomes a CM of Bihar. Right, I think she is not educated. She is a 10th class fail, I think, after fail or pass, I don't know. But above she is also 10th class. But even she has been CM of Bihar. What is the condition of these things? It should not be, I think. Educated person should be a rate or because the leaders, yes, not uneducated people.
But sir, because of some of the uneducated person, the discrimination is increasing day by day. As between the boy and girl, we give more priority to boy than the girl. Why we give it girls? Nowadays, girls can also can be top, but we don't give the priority, and it's bad. And in Rajasthan, there girls give the equal priority than the boys, and there the girls are neck to neck than to boys, and by it their country is in the very good place, and if we are using the social networking, so we should have the knowledge about that, as the Twitter and Instagram, there we also get the knowledge, and if we have the knowledge, we should have knowledge that what's good and bad for us, so we can enjoy the benefits of social networking while operating.
It's actually nowadays also many parents are promoting their daughters also. You can see the daughter in everywhere. You can see the daughter in everywhere. You can see the now daughter is operating the flight, daughter is operating the train. Girls also they are going to they are becoming the, we can say, you can see the army, navy, air force, everywhere you can find the girls. They are working well, or because of many parents also they are promoting them. This is a very good thing. It's very good, or should be. Every parent should do this, promoting those.
As you said, the poor person they get more educated in like if we are comparing to like this person. So according to me, the poor person is well educated because they have a courage to study, and they lots of poor people they take like only one chapatis and like vegetables, like short amount of vegetables, and after 14 age, like 13 age, so the old, like the poor students they feel like I want to do something new in our life.
A person having a good education become a good citizen of our country.
But some of the places the girls are not allowed to go anywhere. Suppose if we are talking about boys, if the boy want to go anywhere, so he has no need. he has no need to ask to their parents. But if the girls, if we will talk about the girls, so girls some of the times their parents says no, and why their parents does not give the priority equally.
If we educate, we can depend ourselves.
Education is a key of a personal and professional life to be a success.
After being educated, the lots of people they get ego, and they don't know how to talk the our elders because they have attitude.